Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR 32. It says Sal has scores of 84, 95, 72, 85, 96, 88, 91, 96, 85, and 92 on his history tests for the current semester. Calculate Sal's average, which is a fancy word for the mean test score. If an average of 90 is required for an A, would Sal receive an A for the semester? All right, first of all, I'm going to tell you I'm using a calculator on this one. So to find the average or mean, you add up all the scores, then you divide by how many scores there are. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 85, 95, 72, 85, 96, 88, 91, 96, 85, 92. I'm going to add those all up. See what I get. 84 plus 95 plus 72 plus 85 plus 96 plus 88 plus 91 plus 96 plus 85 plus 92. Enter. 884. 884. Let's see. How many scores are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 scores. So then I'll take 884 and divide that by 10. And when you divide that by 10, you get 88.4. So his average, no, he would not receive an A. No, only has an 88% average, not receiving an A. That would be more like a B+. All right, let's check letter B. It says if 2 more 100-point test scores were given, what is Sal's highest possible average? Well, we're going to hope he gets 100 on both of those. So if you take 884 and add on 100 and add on another 100, because we want his highest possible average. So 884 plus 200 gets you up to 1,084, but now he doesn't have 10 tests, now he's up to 12 tests. The original 10 and now 2 more. So you got to take 1084, that's getting a little bit crowded and sloppy, so I guess I'll just write it down here. 1084, and we're going to divide that by 12. Oh, let's see. Yay! He now has a 90.3 repeating percent average. So that tells us what's his highest possible average? 90% or 90.3 repeating. Yay! He got an A. Let's check out letter C. If only the first 10 tests were considered, okay, so you didn't take these extra 200 points worth of tests. So we're back to the 884. And the history teacher threw out the lowest and highest score. So threw out, what was his lowest score? 72. And what was his highest score? 96. All right, threw out a 72, threw out a 96. So we got to take our 884. And now we're throwing out the 72. Bye-bye 72. And we're throwing out the 96. Going to get rid of the high and low and only count it out of the now 8 tests. So let's see, take out the 72, take away the 96, 716. So that's 716, and then you'll take 716 and now divide it by 8. Ooh, 89.5. All right, 89.5%. What would Sal's average be then? 89.5%. Now here's the dealio. Most teachers would round that up to a 90%. So it's going to be real helpful to him to get rid of that 72. All right, explain what throwing out the highest and lowest scores does generally to the mean, median, and mode. Okay, oh, they want mean, median, and mode? All right, well, generally, it seems as though it might help bump up your mean. It will bump up the mean, hopefully. The mode, well, it depends. I mean, it depends on what you score most, so I don't know that it really does anything to the mode. Probably has no effect on the mode. It may not impact the mode. And the median. The median tells you what like half of the tests are above, half of the tests are below. So what that might do, I don't think it'll have it won't have an impact on the median. Won't impact the median. So it looks like the only thing that it would impact would be the mean. It could possibly bump up the mean. But the median, if you take out the high and low, the middle score still remains the same, because that's the middle score. And there's a really good chance, if you take out the high and the low, it might not affect, what appears most. I don't know what average for him appeared most. I mean, it might change the mode, but that doesn't really affect things too much. All right, hope that helps.